Hello everyone. In this video class, you are going to learn how to measure the resonance frequency in AC circuits and determine its effects on the circuits. For this, first we need to discuss about the frequency and power factor in AC circuits. We know that in AC circuits, the magnitude and the direction changes periodically. Frequency in AC circuit tells us how much time the flow of current changes its direction with respect to time in 1 second. Frequency can also be written as number of cycles per second. The unit of frequency is hertz. For example, if the frequency is 50 hertz, the flow of current changes its direction 50 times per second. In India, we use standard frequency as 50 hertz. Some countries use a standard frequency as 60 hertz, which means flow of current changes its direction 60 times every second. In any AC circuits, the current and voltage waveforms always does not rise and fall together. Sometimes current lags behind or lead the voltage. The angle between the current and voltage waveforms shows how much they are out of phase or out of synchronism. Power factor is cosine of this angle. In simple, power factor is the cosine angle between voltage and current. There are three types of power factor: unity power factor, lagging power factor and leading power factor. Let us discuss one by one. Unity power factor. When the power factor is 1, it is called unity power factor, which means current and voltage waveforms are aligned together without any phase difference. This means all the electric power is used without any losses. The unity power factor usually occurs in the resistive loads like incandescent lamps, heating loads, etc. Lagging power factor. Lagging power factor occurs when the current lags behind the voltage in angle. In this case, some electric power is wasted due to the phase difference between the voltage and current. This loss is called inductive reactance. The unit of inductive reactance is ohm and represented as XL. The inductive reactance can be calculated using the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL. The lagging power factor occurs in the inductive circuits like motors, transformers, etc. Leading power factor. Leading power factor occurs when the current leads the voltage in angle. Here also some electric power is wasted due to the phase difference between the voltage and current. This loss is called capacitive reactance. The unit of capacitive reactance is ohm and represented as XC. To find the capacitive reactance, you can use the formula XC is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. Usually, leading power factor occurs in the capacitor circuits. Now, let us discuss the term impedance. In AC circuit, impedance is the measure of how much the circuit opposes or resists the flow of AC current. It combines the effect of resistance, inductive reactance and capacitive reactance together. Impedance can be represented by a letter Z and its unit is ohm. Impedance can be found by using the formula Z is equal to root of R square plus difference of XL and XC whole square. Remember always in DC circuit, current I can be represented as I is equal to V by R. But in AC circuit, current I can be represented as I is equal to V by Z, where Z is the combination of resistance, inductive reactance and the capacitive reactance. Now, assume three components like resistor, inductor and capacitors are connected in series with AC power source to form series RLC circuit as shown in the picture. When AC power flows through the circuit, at resistor the voltage and current are in phase. At inductor the current lags the voltage and at the capacitor the current leads the voltage respectively. Suppose if the reactance across the inductor and the capacitor are same, that is, if the inductive reactance equals a capacitive reactance, they cancel each other, then the circuit operates only in unity power factor due to no reactance. The frequency at which the unity power factor occurs is called resonance frequency. This resonance frequency is represented as F4 and its unit is hertz. Resonance frequency can be calculated using the formula F4 is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of LC. In RLC series circuit, the resonance frequency occurs when inductive reactance is equal to the capacitive reactance. Let us discuss with the values. In series RLC circuit, let the value of capacitor be 10 ohm, inductor be 0.1 Henry and the capacitor be 100 microfarad connected to 240 volt 50 Hz AC supply as shown in the picture. To find the inductive reactance, just substitute the values of frequency 50 Hz and the inductor 0.1 Henry in the formula XL is equal to 2 pi FL. By simplifying this equation, we get inductive reactance XL is equal to 31.4 ohms. To find the capacitive reactance, just substitute the values of frequency 50 Hz and the capacitor 100 microfarad in the formula Xc is equal to 1 by 2 pi Fc. By simplifying this, we get capacitive reactance Xc as 31.4 ohms. Here, the capacitive reactance and the inductive reactance values are same. Now, substitute the value of resistance, inductive reactance and capacitive reactance in the impedance formula. Z is equal to root of R square plus XL minus Xc whole square. Since inductive and the capacitive reactance are same, they cancel each other and Z becomes 10 ohm, which is equal to the resistance value. The frequency at this situation is called resonance frequency. This shows in RLC series circuit, the resonance frequency or unity power factor occurs when inductive reactance XL is equal to capacitive reactance XC or impedance Z is equal to resistance R. To find the resonance frequency in RLC series circuit, substitute the values of inductor and the capacitor in the formula Fr is equal to 1 by 2 pi root of Lc. By simplifying this equation, we get the resonance frequency as 159.15 Hz. This shows the frequency at 159.15, the RLC series circuit works in unity power factor. Now, let us discuss the effect of resonance frequency in AC circuits. Maximum current level. At resonance frequency, the inductive reactance XL is equal to the capacitive reactance, resulting in decreasing the total impedance Z. We know that in AC circuits, current I can be written as I is equal to V by Z. When the impedance Z decreases, the current I increases, vice versa. Voltage magnification. At resonance frequency, the voltage across inductor and capacitors increases significantly higher than the supply voltage. This phenomenon is called voltage magnification or voltage resonance. Power factor and efficiency. At resonance frequency, the circuit will operate in unity power factor, which means all the power will be supplied to the load without any loss. This leads to increase the efficiency of the circuit. Frequency selector. At resonance frequency, the series RLC circuit will act as a band pass filter that allows a signal at frequency to pass while blocking signal to other frequencies. This is useful in communication systems, radio tuning and sound system, etc. In this video class, so far we have discussed how to measure the resonance frequency in AC circuits. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next class.